my channel, Majestic Nisarg. Today we are doing Thums versus LPG. And this is a beautiful hypnotizing glass. You see this? These holes are not in this side. Look at this. It has a beautiful effect. Wow, I can see through this side. Can you see me? Wait, let me see. Oh my god. Kids, children's, and all of the children who are every size don't do this. Let a parent or a family member do it. And also, you can do the cold drinks if you want. We can see what happens if you mix them too. So I'm going to do a little bit. With a little bit more. I'm going to drink it, but that finishes the freaking thing. Guys! Please, you go away. Please, up here. Like this. And 191 cents. Oh nuts, guys. Oh nuts, peanuts, every nut turning into liquid. Oh my god. Oh shit. No, oh my god. Is it toxic? Poisonous? Nuclear? Radioactive? Oh my god, guys, that is actually turning into ice. Let me see. I'm going to touch it. Please. Let me speak it. Oh my god. Stop. Oh, very, very cold. Oh yes. Did you enjoy this video? Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Next time you see more interesting things. Bye! Have a majestic day!